In this video, you're going to see how I got my beautiful Christmas nails using these stickers that I picked up from my local Sally Beauty Supply and using my new Christmas glitter that I just released. It is called Holiday Cheer. It is now available on my website, so make sure you guys check it out. This is what it looks like. It is just so beautiful. It screams Christmas, it screams holiday, so I love it. On my nails, I had an overlay and I wanted something a little bit longer, so I extended them using the Mia Secret clear acrylic, and I'm going to use this glitter to put over the area where the cover acrylic and the clear acrylic meets. So as you know, I love Mia Secret right now, so I'm just pouring my Mia Secret monomer in there, and I have my Mia Secret clear there. So you see that line there where my natural nail stops and the extension starts. That's where I'm going to apply the glitter. And I'm going to kind of do it in like a S so that it has like a cute kind of feel to it and not just like I'm just covering something up. So what I like to do is go into my monomer, get a little bit of clear acrylic, and then I go into the glitter. From there on, I just dip into the monomer and into the glitter, because you don't want your glitter to be really bulky, so I like to do it that way. So here you can see how I kind of have like my little swirl. Now I'm going to put a sticker on that clear part, and I really love when I can see through my nails, so I thought that this would be a great place to put a sticker so that if I hold my nails to the light, I will be able to see it through my nails. It's really tricky trying to pull these stickers off. As you can see, I kind of took off the top of the ornament. And you want to make sure that your nails are dry when you start applying these. And that's one nail done. Now I'm going to go in and cap the nail. And when I'm capping, I like to start at the tip and feather that up. Here I'm just going ahead and applying the glitter to the rest of the nails. And I'm doing that same little S. And after the holidays, I might cut the extension part off. But I wanted to do something fun for the holidays since I don't really have a lot of clients during this time, and the clients that I do have, I can do them with long nails like braids and wigs and things like that. So I'm going to stick this Christmas tree here. Then after I'm done with all of the glitter and all of the stickers on this hand, I'm going to go in and encapsulate all of the nails. After I do the tip of the nail, then I go back and do the rest of the nail. And this is just how I like to encapsulate. Of course, you can do whatever, how many ball method or whatever you like to do to encapsulate your nails. The color that I have on my nail bed is the Mia Secret in pink, I believe. I normally use the cover pink, but I ordered the cover pink, the cover beige, and the cover rose. That's what it is. It's the cover rose. And I like the cover pink better. I have to try the cover beige soon. Now I'm going to file my nails using my favorite kind of file. And this is what they look like after I file them. And this is what they look like after I applied my top coat. As you can see, they are beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick kind of Christmas nail tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn those notifications on so that you will be notified every time that I post. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!